Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to go over the default template. Now, the default template is really just an all-purpose uh, do what you will with it template. Whereas the business homepage layout, we say you have to have the slider up at the top because that's the vision for the slider, and certain things are enabled and certain things aren't enabled. Whereas the default template, you can disable whatever you want. So for example, our privacy policy page uses the default template. What if I wanted a page where I just wanted virtually nothing there except maybe the top menu? So we're going to disable the um, everything, everything except the very top menu and the content. We're even going to disable the footer region and the copyright region. Mind you, the copyright itself is actually within the global setting, which is in the Fortis general settings under your copyright footer region. But in any case, let's go and update this and see what happens. Alright, so we're going to reload this, and so all we should be left with is the top menu and just the content. So what this gives you the ability to do is have this page as this layout, or perhaps you want to, I don't know, maybe you do want to have the logo up there. So we'll say header main update. All right, so there is your logo there. But what if you wanted to have that logo actually not displayed there? Maybe you wanted to not have that there. Sorry, not have that there. Maybe you wanted to have the showcase. Put the slider up there, and then have the logo below that. Let's try it. I mean, this is the layout that really allows you to do whatever you want. Just about whatever you want. It's a very versatile layout. The reason we have the other pre-configured layouts for, like, say, the blog or the business homepage or the sitemap is to simplify a lot of the functionality for those pages. So here you go. We've gone and we've placed the website name within the SEO region, which uses a styled background. And just the way that these styles for the logo are, it will punch up a little bit of a margin there. That's just how that renders in that particular region. But we didn't see the slider, so why don't we enable a slider such as the amazing slider? Here we go. So now we have a slider above the logo. Well, that looks pretty sharp too. So this is the layout that really, if you can play around with and do a lot of different things. It still adheres to the column configuration of the layouts page here. So what we would have here is we have a default which in the main region would use a right column over here rather than maybe something over here. So any page that uses this particular layout, which is the default, has to stick with this, whereas the business page layout is specifically configured so that you can customize the main region to be slightly different, as with the blog or the sitemap. The default is what you would have for all the other miscellaneous pages in your site. That's more or less its intent. Anyways, I hope that makes sense.